On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about keeping walkways and exits clear. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Part of any holiday or really busy season in general, any factory, warehouse, or facility are going to have extra hustle and bustle. If you're doing that, or if you have that situation, then you're going to have clutter. So you want to make sure that you go through and, just like the title said, keep your walkways and your exit routes clear. So here are a few tips that are going to help you do that. The very first thing is going to be going through and staying organized. Make sure that nothing is spilling over into those areas, the walkways, the exit routes. Make sure that you have designated holiday zones or busy zones that are going to help you with making sure that things stay organized. The second thing is going through and doing inspections. Walk the floor. Make sure that nothing has spilled over. Make sure everything is in its place. And just make sure that you have clear paths so that nobody is in danger of either tripping or possibly damaging product, or again, in the event of an emergency, that they can't get out of the way. The third thing is going to be going through and communicating your expectations. You can do this with meetings before, during, and after shifts. You can have signage that is letting people know special situations and just making sure that people know exactly what it is that they're supposed to be doing. The next thing is going to be providing floor markings and signage that lets people know exactly where things are supposed to go. This is where one of our sponsors, Mighty Line, comes in. They're going to provide the safety tape and signs that are going to allow you to know exactly where you're supposed to be, where you need to go, where pallets go, things like defibrillators, trash cans, fire extinguishers, first aid kits. It really doesn't matter what the signage or the lines or the markings are telling you to do. Just know that they're there to let you know exactly that everything has a place and or a place for everything and everything in its place. So the last thing, and certainly not least, is prepare for emergencies. Make sure that your staff knows exactly what they're supposed to do in the event of an emergency, so that even if you have all of your aisleways and escape routes and exit routes clear, that they know exactly what they're supposed to do in the event of an emergency, where they're supposed to go, how they're supposed to check in, and just everything about it. So if you do these 5 things, it's going to be a great place to start. Make sure you follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. And until we talk to you next time, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.